Welcome to Hockey Galaxy. In this video, I'm going to cover mutual induction. Okay. So first of all, we have to make primary or secondary coil to understand the mutual induction, to understand the concept of mutual induction. Okay. So let's make. So this is our primary coil. This is our secondary coil. So what the definition of mutual induction says? It says that when there is a change in magnetic flux or electric current through primary coil, then the induced EMF is developed across the secondary coil. Okay. So to conclude this, to understand in a proper way, I will make electric flux that is passing through this secondary coil. Electric flux, this is the electric flux that is passing through secondary coil. Okay, just to understand, I'm making this just to understand. So I think this line shows that the entire flux of this primary coil is linked with the secondary coil. You know, if there is a change in current to primary coil, then it is important to be change in current through in secondary coil. You should know that if the magnetic flux or that is electric current is passing through secondary coil, if that is linked with the secondary coil, then definitely it is going to induce an EMF across this secondary coil. Okay, let the current here is like this, so here will be it opposite side. This is our direction of induced current. This is our galvanometer. This is showing that current is flowing in secondary circuit. We will get to know by galvanometer that the current is flowing in clockwise direction. Current is flowing in clockwise direction. Okay, in this and we know this. I have told you in the previous video. If the current in the clockwise, if the current in the if the galvanometer needle is clockwise, then the current in the this secondary coil, it will be anti-clockwise. Okay. Okay. So this was definition. This was the definition of mutual induction. Okay. Now, what are the examples of this? You know, transformer work on the phenomenon of mutual induction. Example है transformer. Transformer work on the process of mutual induction. Okay. I am watching a question bank. Actually, it was a physics question bank, and I see a question that that a fan process on mutual induction or not. So no, so you should know that fan does not process on mutual induction. Okay, and electric motor does not process on mutual induction, does not work on mutual induction. Okay, these are the two phenomena. But you know, dynamo works on the process of mutual induction. Dynamo dynamo works on the process of mutual induction. These were the examples. Okay, so as per the Faraday's law, we get to know that the induced EMF across the secondary coil is proportional to the rate of change of current to primary coil. Induced EMF in secondary coil is proportional to rate of change of current primary coil. That is, yes, the induced EMF across secondary coil is directly proportional to negative rate of change of current to primary coil. So this negative sign, you would definitely question comes into your mind that why this negative signs I have written. You know, I have written this negative sign because this negative sign shows that the direction of induced current in the secondary coil will be opposite to the direction of induced EMF or current in the primary coil. Okay, so this is what is that. So by removing this proportional sign, we get to know constant, that is m, that is the mutual induction coefficient of mutual induction. We also said the coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance. Okay, and in boards it was asked many times that what is the coefficient of mutual induction, what is the definition of coefficient of mutual induction. So you should know that the definition of constant terms are we get to know from the formula. So m is basically is equals to ES, so I'm now telling the definition. M is, that is mutual inductance, is equals to the induced EMF through secondary coil when the rate of change of current through primary coil is unity. When this is 1, when delta IP over T is 1, then induced EMF through secondary coil is equals to M. यही होता है अगर डेल्टा IP over T is 1. तो ये दिस इज द डेफिनेशन. इसको लिखोगे कैसे? द म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस ऑफ टू कॉइल इज इक्वल टू द इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ इन द सेकेंडरी कॉइल ड्यू टू यूनिट रेंज ऑफ करंट थ्रू प्राइमरी कॉइल. ओके, यूनिट रेंज ऑफ करंट थ्रू प्राइमरी कॉइल. दिस इज important. Okay, so now let us move on. As you know, phi s is direct proportional to IP. You know this. Magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil is directly proportional to the current flow through primary coil. This is our point, second point. So there is a constant term, that is M, mutual induction. You can also define mutual induction from here. So that is M is phi s upon IP. It depends on the number of turns also. If the secondary coil has n s turns, let n s turns. If secondary coil has ns number of turns, then the answer would not be this. If there is 10 turns, then it will be 10 times of phi s upon IP. You know this phi s. I am writing this S and P. What is S and this P? Are you understanding it well? That is, P is primary coil, current through primary coil. S is secondary, S secondary, primary. So I have written this to understand, to learn in a proper way. Okay, so that is M is ns phi s upon IP. This is used in the formula. So thank you. In the next video I will cover factor affecting the mutual induction depends, okay, and perfect coupling, self induction. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my video. Those who are watching, please like. Thank you.